Welcome! In front of me I have HTC Desire 21 Pro 5G, and today I'll show you how you can adjust notification bar icons. So at the first you have to simply open notification bar, then tap on this icon on the left, and as you can see, if you want to add one of the icons, for example location, you have to click, hold, and then put it just like that. As you can see, it's very simple. If you want to remove icons like hotspot, just make the same, but drag it to the bottom. After that, you can just simply go back, and as you can see, everything saved automatically. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel.